Hello beautiful people, it is your girl Alyssa and we're about to get into a get ready with me. As y'all can see, girl, I'm laying my hair down. Finna pop out, so let's go ahead and get started. So I have my brows on and the skin is basically prepped with like my skincare. I am gonna go in with the Vitamin Enriched Face Base, which is, y'all know, one of my faves, and it's a great way to just start. I'm gonna get this product off the top of this thing, because it's my first time using this one. This jar, it's just so nice. It really is. I don't know what they put in this, but it's clearly vitamin enriched and it's bomb. Please don't go in and do a full face makeup without skin prep. It is so important. And then I have the eye base. You just need a little bit of eye base. I'm gonna take that amount on both eyes. So I've already done my brows. I've used the Benefit, y'all already know what I use. Benefit Precisely My Brow in 4.5, and I just carved them out. And yes, man, we are ready for the skin. I got my Hydro Grip Primer. I'm just kind of speeding through this because it's pretty much the same thing that I always do. I bought this Dose of Colors concealer in 22 Dark, and it really is like dark and peachy. So I've been kind of using this as a color corrector because that's what it's serving up. It is a nice concealer too. And I'll put a little bit on my mustache or my upper lip area because it doesn't hurt. And just buff that out. Okay, so let me tell y'all where I'm about to go. Me and my friends, my sister, my people, we are about to go celebrate the launch of Jade Olive. If you have not checked out my previous video, check it out. I did indeed launch my own brand. It's called Jade Olive. It's a self-care brand, and we launched on Monday, November 15th, and we sold out on November 15th, and that is amazing. Did not, exceeded my expectations, and we are going to celebrate tonight, period. I'm gonna take a little bit of this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. Now, I've been using this, but I don't think I've used this on camera yet. I usually just put it right here, put some on my chin, and I'll put some on my forehead for today, and I'm gonna just blend that out. Really could use this same little brush to blend it out. Yeah. But yes, y'all, thank you to anyone, if you're watching this, if you purchased from Jade Olive on Monday. I appreciate it so much. I was able to see some revenue that came from you guys clicking on the link and purchasing, because the website, you can get like, website analytics where traffic's come from and things like that. So thank you if you purchased. I love you. I thank you so much. And if you didn't get a chance to purchase, we will be coming back. We will be restocking before Christmas. So go ahead and go to the site and sign up for our emails, because we will send an email out when the restock is coming. You guys will be the first to know, people who are on our email list. And yes, I'm just like so excited and so thankful. Okay, so for my foundation today, I'm using the NARS Natural Radiant Long Wear. Ooh, this is in the shade Morea. I do follow pumps because they pumps is pretty small. But let me just tell y'all about this launch. We chose our quantity and what made sense, what we thought we could sell. Like within the month, within the week. And we were thinking, let's try to sell all of these within the month of November. And the fact that it sold out on the day of, is just amazing, and I'm so thankful and so grateful. I really don't know what to say. I'm just thankful. I wasn't sure like if people on YouTube was gonna see it soon enough, because if you don't follow me on Instagram, which hopefully you do and you should, add me. That's why I was really updating people and updating everything. It's kind of dark, huh? to see that y'all, some people on here saw it and actually came and purchased. Ooh, I just love that so much. I thank you so much. It's like the best feeling ever. So yeah, for us to sell out same day, I think it's a testament to everyone who supported and how much you guys support me, and you know, people watching me on the internet and just seeing that I'm putting my all into everything that I'm doing. As I mentioned, I do make the product myself. And yeah, so I do feel like this popping out situation is definitely deserved. I've been in the house, girl. In the house, which I ain't mad at. But just trying to get everything together for Jade Olive. And it came together. I still got a few things I need to figure out, but that's fine. Today, I'm actually gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape. I feel like I haven't used these in so long. Ooh. I'm just gonna blend this out first. I do have medium tan sand, so I'll probably go in and brighten up a bit, especially since the the foundation is a little darker. It's a little dark. It's the right tone. But yes, comment down below if you were able to get your hands on some Jade Olive. I would love to know. Or if you checked out the site, visited and saw that it was sold out, I still appreciate the love of you going to even clicking and taking your time out of the day, girl or guys, to show me some love. I appreciate it. Ooh, that blend. This is medium tan sand. I'm gonna add a little bit. We adding this because we going out and we celebrate. Oh, I like the tone of this one. This one got a more yellow undertone. That burned it up nicely. I'm just gonna take the excess, and I only do this. I don't do this often at all, but I'm taking that excess because the foundation is darker. You see, it's almost acting as if we already cream contoured. That reverse contour. So I had got, during the Sephora sale, the Balm Contour from Danessa Myricks in the shade Medium 3. So I'm gonna try this out. Danessa serves up everything you need for complexion. Okay. Now with the contour, you wanna be sure to kind of really get it in your hairline. That's what makes it look the best and the most natural. This is a Fenty foundation brush actually that I'm using just to apply this balm. And a little is going a long way with this. So now it's time for powders. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty powder foundation in the shade 300 to start to set under my eyes. I'm gonna blend it out though, cause y'all know you gotta blend out those creases prior to applying any powder. I just got some on my sponge and I'm pressing that in. Now we take our loose powder. I'm taking this translucent honey. I'm about to take the Hoola bronzer. Fenty Beauty 345. So I'm gonna take some on this angled fluffy brush and just beat it in. For sure, my favorite little brush, favorite little blush. Melt. I'm gonna take this balm and place it on my eye. I'm about to grab this Artist Couture. Woo, the only palette I be grabbing, child. It's truly the only palette I be grabbing because I just love the browns in here. It's all I need. And I'm just taking it on this blending brush and just setting this. This is a B19 from BH. But just setting this balm. Ooh, that look really good. I'm using Transcend from the palette. The easiest eyeshadow look in the world. I love simple stuff. I'm gonna take the light shade from the palette, Exposed, and put that on the brow bone. This is on a little small blending brush. I should put on some lashes. Whew, okay. I'm just gonna add a liner. This is BFF3 from ColourPop. Hey, I know I'm gonna go with BFF4. Right when I find it. Right here. Damn. That's another BFF3. I got 2 million now. What's this? Pitch. This is another dark brown. I can do this one too. It's really just the contrast with a lighter brown and a darker on the out. Ooh, then I'm gonna wear my new gloss from Kaja Beauty. This is milk tea, right? Yeah, milk tea. I'm just gonna put this on. So pretty. All right, you guys, this is the final look. Ooh, yes, ooh, come on, earrings. I really enjoy it. I hope you guys do too. And I just want to say a final thank you for the support. I pray that you continue to support me because this is just the beginning of Jade Olive. Come on. And if you did not get your Universal Butter on this first launch, stick around. We're launching before Christmas. Stay tuned. Sign up for the emails on the website. If you go to jadeolive.com, at the bottom it says subscribe. So subscribe to the website and I will see you on my next video. Peace.